See that little head? And there's 2 over the far end. 1, 2, 3, 4 bunny rabbits. You see, blend into the grass. It's about 8:45 at night. It's the time of night they come out to graze, so it's meant to be quieter. It's just behind Avon, Northampton, and yet we see all the chemtrails and all this white stuff above us. See all that? That's chemtrails, and all these beautiful little animals are eating the poison that's coming. Oh, it's hopping along. Little white tail in the back. Sunday evening, 22nd of June 2014. Second day of summer. They were hopping around all over here. It's quite a hot spot. Oh, look, they're sitting on the edge there. Don't fall in. Right by the river. See the white bit of the little tail? Right in the centre picture. See it hopping? Blending with the grass. In the middle of the picture. You can hardly see it. But I'll get out, get a bit of wildlife. And that, look. Isn't that unique? You see it moving in far distance, quite small in the picture frame. But don't fall in, bless it. I wish I could actually walk and get a good clear picture. But unfortunately I'm not able to walk. Oh, come on, turn around. I like getting a little picture of nature. Because on the left side of me, you've got those tiny, it looks tiny on the screen, but I can see quite clearly where I am. Somewhere just resting on the grass, and that one's still sitting there. I mean, I'm trying to make a bunny noise. These are natural brown little bunnies. They're not pets. They're wildlife, like all the bird noises you can hear. So why all this white stuff with chemtrails above us, and a tiny white plane at the top. That's an ordinary plane flying above. So since 8 o'clock this morning, I wasn't going to come out and be sprayed, and this is what the after effect is. Look at that. Look at that. Behind Avon, Northampton, with the sun going down. Well, it doesn't go down about 9:30, but look at that shot. Look at that. And then above my head. Oh look, here we got. There's the airplane going right across our head, spraying. See all that thick? It's not chemtrails, going right through that haze. Come on people, wake up. Detox and I'll get in. For goodness sake, it's not that beautiful day. It's all this poison aluminum. Look at geoengineering. And what's actually in there, the metals, the particles, all we're breathing in, and what it's doing to our planet. See it going right across there? My arm's kidding me holding this. Right at the tip of that plane, leaving the light when it's like that, dispersing. Look, see? And this is in Northampton. Good God. Come on people. Oh. See that now? Disgusting that. Look at it all right in front of my eyes. Aircraft.com, aircraft.org. Look up the definition and why they're doing this. They're spoiling everything. I was brought up when none of this was about. And you wait till tomorrow again, heavy spraying. I'll be wearing my mask, trying to get this poison out of me. Cost me a fortune to get these natural kind of plants and herbs and things. That's not geoengineering either, or GMO. Come on people, we all need to work together to wake up for all this. Disgusting, look at that. Because all these pure little bunnies, a natural habitat no matter where you live, and where you're able to see this, look, this is what ends up dispersing into this. Yep, and then you have all this. And this is just me, commonly known by a door, getting a bit of footage. And all those natural habitat and all these birds and these plants, you see them hopping about. And you can see these trees are quite dry. All this above us, look, I'll give you another glimpse of what it's ended up. See, it's got thicker. And all that poison being sprayed upon us. You want to know what that is? Get on the internet research. Because I've already done that. Okay. If you want to protect our planet and you want to stop these corrupt corporations, the elite, you know who they are. Rothschilds, the bankers, the Illuminati. I mean, the list goes on. It's not conspiracy theory anymore when you see this in reality. Look at that picture there. It's disgusting. I'm old enough to remember when it had proper clouds and none of this. Don't believe the reasons why they're doing all this. Oh, we've got security behind me because they don't like me filming. Security guy turned up in his car. Look, there's the rabbits hopping along. Right. You can hardly see in the distance. End recording, coming in by a door.